Sony's FX3 Mark II has been secretly tested at rental companies right now, and the leaked specs are about to change everything you think you know about compact cinema cameras. And honestly, this might be the most exciting camera leak of 2026. Because here's the thing, trusted insider sources, including trusted sources, have confirmed that the Sony FX3 Mark II has already been physically delivered to select rental companies for testing. This camera is real. It's in people's hands right now. And what they discovered? Absolutely incredible. In this video, we are going to go through every single leak detail, the sensor upgrade, the insane stabilization, the autofocus improvements, the design changes, and the audio features. And I promise you, by the end of this video, you're going to be just as excited as I am. Let's get into it. So let's start with the biggest upgrade, the sensor. The original FX3 had a 12-megapixel sensor, and filmmakers loved it for low light. But one of the biggest complaints was always, we need more resolution. And Sony heard you, because leaked specs are pointing to a brand new 33-megapixel partially stacked sensor inside the FX3 Mark II. That is almost triple the resolution of the original. But here is the best part. This is not just a resolution bump. This sensor is paired with Sony's brand new Bion's XR2 processor, which means faster readout speeds, better dynamic range, and smarter processing overall. And the video capabilities? Stunning. Leaked specs suggest UHD and DCI 4K at up to 60 frames per second in full-frame mode, and 4K at 120 frames per second in Super 35 crop mode. Slow-motion filmmakers, this one is for you. Oh, and there's more. Insiders are saying the FX3 Mark II uses 6.2K oversampling when shooting 4K. That means your 4K footage is going to look cleaner, sharper, and more cinematic than ever before. This sensor? It is a generational upgrade. Now let's talk about something that every handheld filmmaker cares deeply about: image stabilization. The original FX3 already had great stabilization, but the FX3 Mark II? Leaks are suggesting Sony has taken it to a completely different level. We are talking about 8.5 stops of in-body image stabilization. That is the highest stabilization rating ever seen in the entire FX camera series. Ever. But it gets even better. Leaked information confirms that the FX3 Mark II will support special IBIS settings, specifically designed for anamorphic lenses. If you are a cinematic filmmaker who loves that wide, stretched, beautiful anamorphic look, this camera is literally being built for you. And here is something really impressive. Sony reportedly kept the fully mechanical shutter on the FX3 Mark II. They did not switch to an electronic front curtain shutter like some of their other cameras. Why does that matter? Because a fully mechanical shutter means more reliability, more consistency, and better results in tricky lighting situations. The only trade-off? The body is slightly thicker than the original FX3, but honestly, for 8.5 stops of stabilization, that is a trade-off every filmmaker will happily make. Sony is basically giving you a gimbal inside the camera body. Now, this next leaked feature, I genuinely did not expect this from a camera in this size, because Sony has apparently gone absolutely crazy with the audio capabilities on the FX3 Mark II. Let's start with the big one. Leaked specs are confirming 32-bit floating-point audio recording at 48 kHz. Now, if you are not an audio person, let me explain why this is such a big deal. 32-bit floating point means you essentially cannot clip your audio. It doesn't matter if something is too loud or too quiet. The camera captures everything and you fix it later in post. Professional filmmakers pay thousands of dollars for external recorders just to get this feature. And Sony is putting it directly inside the camera. But wait, it gets even better. Insiders are saying the FX3 Mark II will support up to 8 audio channels simultaneously. 8. That means you can record multiple people, multiple microphones, multiple sources, all at the same time. Wedding filmmakers, documentary filmmakers, corporate video creators, this feature alone could completely change your entire workflow. And there is one more audio leak that is incredibly exciting for multi-camera productions. The FX3 Mark II reportedly supports wireless timecode synchronization between multiple FX3 Mark II units through the 6 GHz channel. No cables, no clapping, just perfectly synced audio and video across every camera on your set. Sony is not just building a cinema camera, they are building a complete professional production system. So now the question every single person watching this video is asking, when is it coming out? And how much is it going to cost? Let's talk about what the leaks are suggesting. On the release date, insider sources are pointing towards 2026 as the launch window. And here is the most exciting part. The camera has already been delivered to select rental companies for testing. That tells us one very important thing. This camera is not in early development anymore. It is close, very close. When a camera reaches rental company testing stage, an official announcement is usually not far behind. Now on pricing, leaked expectations are putting the FX3 Mark II somewhere in the range of $3,800 to $4,200 US, which is actually really reasonable when you consider everything this camera is rumored to bring to the table: 33 megapixel sensor, 8.5 stops of stabilization, 32-bit floating point audio, 8-channel recording, wireless timecode sync, anamorphic lens support, 4K 120 frames per second. All of that are for roughly the same price as the original FX3. If these leaks turn out to be accurate, and the signs are looking very promising, the FX3 Mark II could genuinely be the most powerful compact cinema camera ever made at this price point. Sony is about to do something very special. And that is everything we know so far about the Sony FX3 Mark II, straight from the latest leaks, insider reports, and trusted industry sources that have been circulating online. Now let me give you a quick recap of everything that is making this camera one of the most talked about upcoming cinema releases right now. We are reportedly looking at a brand new 33 megapixel partially stacked sensor paired with Sony's next generation Bionz XR2 processor, full-frame 4K 60 frames per second recording, 4K 120 frames per second in crop mode, 6.2K oversampling for sharper and more detailed footage, a massive 8.5 stops of image stabilization, potentially the highest stabilization performance ever seen in the FX lineup, support for anamorphic lens stabilization, a redesigned body that blends the compact professional feel of the FX3 with some of the newer ergonomic ideas from the FX2, built-in color temperature sensors for more accurate white balance handling, an adjustable EVF, 32-bit floating point audio support, 8-channel audio recording, wireless timecode synchronization for multi-camera productions, and according to current leaks, a launch price expected somewhere between $3,800 and $4,200. And honestly, when you put all of these rumored features together, this does not feel like a normal yearly refresh. It feels like Sony is trying to completely redefine what creators should expect from a compact cinema camera in 2026. If even half of these leaks turn out to be accurate, the FX3 Mark II could become one of the most powerful hybrid cinema tools in its class. But now I want to hear from you. Which leaked feature are you personally the most excited about? The new sensor, the stabilization, the audio upgrades, the anamorphic support? Drop your thoughts down in the comments right now because I genuinely love reading your opinions and discussions. And if you found this video helpful or informative, make sure to hit that like button because it seriously helps this channel grow more than you probably realize. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on bell notifications because the second Sony officially announces this camera, you already know we are going to cover every single detail immediately. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.